2006 Honda Civic. We are going to replace the starter on this. Yeah, I know it's got the 1.8, but I'm gonna show you where it's at. See, I got my jack stand, 2 jack stands. So if you crawl underneath the car, I'll show you where it is. Where is it? Right there. There's that sucker. First step, disconnect the battery terminals. At least this part's not hard. You can technically just disconnect the ground terminal, but I'll go ahead and disconnect the positive also. Okay, so we are under the car. Let me show you where I'm at exactly. So this is your transmission. This is your exhaust. If you look right here, that's your starter right there. This sucker right here. So it's got 2 bolts. One right here. This one is looks like you got plenty of room to access that. So you need to take that off. And then if you look on the top, I'm gonna try to zoom in. Right there, that bolt, that's the top bolt that we need to take off. It's a long bolt. Also, you get a wiring harness right here. Go ahead, this one you can go ahead and take it off. See that wiring harness right there, that green thingy. So go ahead and disconnect that. Okay, this is the setup that I have for the top. See, I have a short 14 socket, and then I got an extension long enough to it'll extend out to about that far. And then I got my ratchet set up like this. This axle is really what's gonna get in your way. So I put my left hand here, and then my right hand here, and I grab that ratchet, and then I got that I got the top bolt loose, so now we're taking it off. Alright, so we got the top bolt out. This is what it looks like. Long bolt. Okay, now we're gonna take the bottom bolt off. This is my setup. Right here, right here. Okay. You can do this a different way, whatever's easier for you. Everybody's got different hand size, but for me, I'm just showing you guys what the easiest way I think is. All right, so we got the top and the bottom bolt out. Disconnected that wiring harness. I think this little bracket right here, this bracket, I think that's gonna be in the way, so I don't know if we have to take that off. We're gonna find out right now. That bracket right here, this piece, we got to take it off. This bracket right here is not that hard to take off. This bolt that I'm turning right now, it's a 12 two top bolts, which are 10 millimeter. So 210 and 112. Go ahead and take that off. Got the bracket off. I'm gonna reach my hand from here, and let's see if that starter will come out. Yeah, so when you're doing this, you just try not to be frustrated. It's coming out. Yeah, just, you know, keep your cool. Everything's gonna be fine. You stupid mother. Alright, okay. Let's calm down. She's gonna come out. I think something else is holding it. Alright, let me find out. Okay, guys. So I managed to pull the starter a little bit out like that. Now you're gonna need to go ahead and remove the, actually a 12 millimeter. God, I wish I could get the camera close to it. Let's go see that. Go ahead and take that off right there. That nut, it's a 12 millimeter. And once you take that off, you're gonna need to remove the top connector, which is right there. It's got a rubber piece covering that nut, so you need to tuck it back out. Okay, there's the nut. Okay, the connector should come right out. Okay, there's the sucker. Get it out. Go ahead and remove the upper connector. It's got a tab that you need to slide out right there, and we got our starter out. Now the real question is, where are we gonna slide it out from? Will it fit from here? I think it'll fit. We don't want to damage that hose right here too. Uh-oh. It's stuck. Stupid son of a... Alright, so I got it out through here. Like I said, be careful with that. That's your power steering line. You just gotta angle it a certain way. Okay, now when you put the new one in, which it's gonna be too hard for me to record, everything's gonna be in reverse order. So put the new one in through here. Don't forget to install your 12 millimeter nut first, and then your wiring connector, and then slide your new starter inside. Easiest way for you to do that is to put the bottom bolt first and just hand tight it, and then the top bolt you can just kind of feel it with your hand first, and then just hand tight it. Then put your bracket back on. That's it. This wasn't the easiest thing for me to record, but I wanted to show you guys how it's done. Hopefully this video helps you, and if it does, please please click the like button, click the subscribe button. If you got any questions, just comment below. Thank you for watching.